It's hard work to mop up a school, wipe down a hospital, carry a warehouse on your back, or clean up after the game. But all of that work makes a world of difference. That piece of cloth can give a doctor peace of mind. A clean window to the world can help a teacher change a child's worldview. And a cart full of boxes can help a small business get its start. Because the products we make are made to keep working. We move boxes so warehouses can move industry. We sweep arenas so athletes can sweep rivals. And wipe away germs so doctors can help wipe out infection. At Rubbermaid Commercial Products, when we work, so does the world. Because we're made for work that matters.